Lighting control systems offer a convenient way to monitor and control lights from the master bedroom. Several options exist, each with its own features, benefits, and considerations. Let's examine some popular systems. Firstly, the Lutron QS system. This is a centralized control system designed for monitoring and controlling lights throughout a home. Wall-mounted or handheld keypads can be strategically placed in the master bedroom for easy access. The Lutron QS system seamlessly integrates with comprehensive home automation setups, enabling remote control capabilities. The estimated cost for a Lutron QS system typically ranges from $1,500 to $3,000. Secondly, the Insteon hub and switch link. This wireless lighting control system utilizes radio frequency communication. Similar to the Lutron system, wall-mounted or handheld controllers can be positioned in the master bedroom. A key advantage of the Insteon system is its ability to connect to existing lights and switches without requiring replacements. The estimated cost for an Insteon hub and switch link falls within the $200 to $500 range. Thirdly, the iDevices switch. The iDevices switch is a smart home device that grants remote light control through smartphones or tablets. It can integrate with home automation systems for voice control functionality. However, the iDevices switch requires an existing Wi-Fi network to function. The estimated cost per iDevices switch is between $50 and $100. Before deciding on a system, let's consider the benefits and considerations associated with lighting control in the master bedroom. The benefits are significant. Convenience is a primary advantage. These systems allow effortless monitoring and control of lights directly from the master bedroom. Peace of mind is another benefit. Knowing all lights are off reduces energy waste and potential safety concerns. Energy efficiency is enhanced, especially when dimmers are incorporated to fine-tune light levels and reduce energy consumption. Home automation integration allows for linking to other home automation systems, thus creating a comprehensive smart home experience. However, considerations are important. Cost is a key factor, as the investment can vary greatly based on the system selected and the number of lights being controlled. Installation complexities can necessitate professional installation depending on the system's intricacy. Compatibility is crucial. Ensuring the chosen system aligns with existing lights and switches, especially if dimmers are already in place. So, is investing in a lighting control system a good idea? The answer depends on individual circumstances. Budgetary constraints must be weighed against the potential benefits. Consider the cost of the system in relation to the advantages it offers. Convenience and peace of mind should be valued. If the ability to easily manage lighting and the assurance that lights are off are important, the investment could be justified. Energy efficiency is another aspect to consider. A lighting control system that includes dimmers contributes to long-term energy cost savings. Home automation integration should be factored in. If the goal is to expand into a broader home automation ecosystem, selecting a compatible system is essential. Ultimately, the decision hinges on a careful evaluation of personal needs, preferences, and financial resources. Consider the long-term value and how it aligns with your lifestyle and priorities. When planning for dimmer installations, it's crucial to consider the load capacity of the dimmer switches. Dimmers have a maximum wattage rating, and exceeding this can lead to overheating or failure. Calculate the total wattage of the lights connected to each dimmer circuit to ensure it's within the dimmer's specified limit. Also, certain types of light bulbs, such as compact fluorescent lamps or light-emitting diode bulbs, may require compatible dimmers. Check the dimmer's compatibility list to avoid flickering or other issues. For optimal energy efficiency, consider using light-emitting diode bulbs with your dimmers. Light-emitting diode bulbs consume significantly less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs, and they are available in a wide range of color temperatures and brightness levels. This can lead to substantial savings on your electricity bill over time. Integrating the lighting control system with a smart home hub offers enhanced automation possibilities. A smart home hub allows you to create scenes that control multiple lights and devices simultaneously. For example, you could create a good night scene that turns off all the lights in the house and locks the doors. Some smart home hubs also support voice control, enabling you to control your lights with spoken commands. When installing the lighting control system, pay attention to the wiring connections. Loose or incorrect wiring can cause malfunctions or even electrical hazards. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and use appropriate wire connectors. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it's best to hire a qualified electrician to perform the installation. Consider adding occupancy sensors to your lighting control system for increased convenience and energy savings. Occupancy sensors automatically turn lights on when someone enters a room and off when the room is empty. This eliminates the need to manually switch lights on and off, ensuring that lights are only on when they are needed. For a more sophisticated lighting control experience, explore the use of programmable timers. Programmable timers allow you to schedule lights to turn on and off at specific times, even when you are away from home. This can create the illusion that someone is home, deterring potential burglars. It can also be used to automatically turn on outdoor lights at dusk and off at dawn. For homes with multiple floors, consider installing a whole house lighting control system. A whole house system allows you to control all the lights in the house from a central location, such as a keypad in the master bedroom or a smartphone app. This can be especially useful for turning off all the lights before going to bed or when leaving the house. If you are planning to use dimmers extensively, consider using three-way dimmers in areas where lights are controlled by multiple switches. Three-way dimmers allow you to dim the lights from any of the switches in the circuit. This provides added convenience and flexibility in controlling the lighting levels. Think about the placement of the lighting control keypads or switches in the master bedroom. Position them in locations that are easily accessible from the bed, such as on the nightstand or near the doorway. This will make it convenient to control the lights without having to get out of bed. When choosing a lighting control system, consider the aesthetics of the keypads and switches. Select styles and finishes that complement the decor of the master bedroom. Some systems offer a wide range of design options, allowing you to customize the look of the lighting controls to match your personal taste. If you have artwork or decorative elements in the master bedroom, consider using accent lighting to highlight these features. Accent lighting can add depth and visual interest to the room, creating a more inviting and stylish atmosphere. Consider integrating your lighting control system with your home security system. This allows you to control the lights remotely in the event of an emergency, such as a fire or burglary. You can also set up the system to automatically turn on all the lights when the security system is triggered. Explore the use of color-changing light bulbs with your lighting control system. Color-changing bulbs allow you to adjust the color and intensity of the light, creating different moods and atmospheres in a master bedroom. You can use warm colors for relaxation and cool colors for focus and productivity. Consider the potential impact of the lighting control system on your home's resale value. A well-designed and installed lighting control system can be a valuable selling point, attracting potential buyers who appreciate the convenience and energy efficiency it offers. When planning the installation of the lighting control system, consider the location of electrical outlets and wiring. Ensure that there are sufficient outlets and wiring available to accommodate the new lighting controls. If necessary, consult with an electrician to add new outlets or wiring. Think about the potential for future expansion of the lighting control system. Choose a system that can be easily expanded to control additional lights or devices in the future. This will allow you to add new features and functionality as your needs evolve. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical wiring. Turn off the power to the circuit before making any connections. Use appropriate tools and safety equipment, such as insulated gloves and eye protection. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, hire a qualified electrician to perform the installation. Consider the long-term maintenance requirements of the lighting control system. Some systems may require periodic maintenance, such as replacing batteries or cleaning the keypads. Factor these maintenance requirements into your decision-making process. Explore the use of wireless lighting control systems to minimize the need for new wiring. Wireless systems use radio frequency or other wireless technologies to communicate between the switches and the lights. This can simplify the installation process and reduce the cost of labor and materials. Think about the potential for energy rebates or tax credits for installing a lighting control system. Some utilities and government agencies offer incentives to homeowners who install energy-efficient lighting systems. Check with your local utility company or government agency to see if any rebates or tax credits are available. Consider the impact of the lighting control system on your home's overall energy consumption. A well-designed lighting control system can significantly reduce your energy bills, especially when combined with energy-efficient light bulbs and dimmers. Explore the use of smart bulbs that can be controlled individually or in groups. Smart bulbs offer a high degree of flexibility and customization, allowing you to create unique lighting scenes and atmospheres. Think about the potential for integrating the lighting control system with other smart home devices, such as thermostats, door locks, and security cameras. This can create a seamless and integrated smart home experience. Consider the potential for using the lighting control system to create a more relaxing and comfortable environment in the master bedroom. You can use dimmers to adjust the light levels to create a soothing ambience for reading or watching television. You can also use color-changing bulbs to create different moods and atmospheres. Explore the use of automated shades or blinds in conjunction with the lighting control system. Automated shades or blinds can be programmed to open and close automatically based on the time of day or the amount of sunlight entering the room. This can help to regulate the temperature in the room and reduce energy consumption. Think about the potential for using the lighting control system to create a more secure environment in your home. You can program the lights to turn on and off automatically when you are away from home, creating the illusion that someone is home. You can also use the system to control outdoor lights, deterring potential burglars. Remember to consult with a qualified electrician or lighting designer to ensure that the lighting control system is properly designed and installed. They can help you to choose the right system for your needs and budget, and they can ensure that the installation is done safely and in accordance with local building codes. This comprehensive approach will help you to make an informed decision about investing in a lighting control system for the master bedroom.